Evaluate 5x plus 6 over y when x equals 2 and y equals 4. When approaching this problem, there are kind of two ways to do it. But you always want to keep in mind the order of operations. The order of operations tells you what to do first in a problem, so you'll get it right. One way to remember what to do first is to remember, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So that mnemonic stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. And this is the order you should do a problem in order to get the correct solution. So the first way I'm going to approach it is following the order of operations to a T. So I'm going to first substitute the variables for numbers. Alright, so I got 5 times 2 plus 6 divided by 4. And again, following the order of operations, I will want to do multiplication and division before I do any addition and subtraction. So the next step would be to do the multiplication and division. So I would get 5 times 2 equals 10 over 4. And I'll add 6 over 4. So now in this way, they are divided, but I didn't turn it into a decimal or anything. And I'm going to add them. So now I have 16 divided by 4. And this can be simplified because 16 goes into 4 times. And that's the answer. Another way I could have done the problem is instead of separating these, I could have written 10 plus 6 over 4, which is pretty much the same thing because they have a common denominator. And I get the same thing.